This is the Anirun All-in-One Paint I was sent to review, and I am obsessed with how easy it is to use. You literally brush the paint straight on from the container. The container is small and easy to hold. You don't have to lug around a paint can or balance a painting tray or anything, so it's much lighter weight, easier to deal with. There's no splattering or dripping, like it's just so amazing. You don't need to use any thinners or primers, which always stink. And this paint actually had no smell, so it's a low VOC formula. I love that too. Let me show you a closer look at what the set comes with and how I used it to touch up my wooden dresser. You've got your paint, a little brush, the brush attachment, and this is how it's going to attach. Like this, and then you're gonna swap the cap for this one. Oh my gosh. It says this is primer and paint all in one, so you don't need to sand or prime and you don't need to finish it. This is just one thing does it all. And we're gonna try it out. I'm gonna try to kind of refinish the top of a white dresser in my kids' room that has gotten really not nice looking. So we're gonna see how this does. Let's go. Helpful instructions are on both sides. You may need to do multiple layers. Just make sure that you give it enough time to dry. The bottle itself is a really interesting material. To shake well first. On the top, we've got the color white. It is sealed. We've got it open. Gonna screw on the brush and ready to go. It's gonna squeeze out through here and brush on. It says the paint is a water-based finish with acrylic emulsion as the main film forming material. With yellowing resistance, scratch resistance, excellent adhesion, and a wide variety of uses on paint-free board, old furniture, etc. That just comes out so nicely. You squeeze it as hard or as soft as you want. First coat is finished. I got some on my fingers. I'm gonna see how that washes off. Good as new. You can wear gloves if you want to avoid any potential messing up your nails or something, but that washes off really easily if you do it quickly. And I'm gonna go ahead and wash off this brush as well. You can actually see in there. That's how it works. The bristles go around that. Really cool. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the regular top back on. This is the look after the first coat dried. It is a bit streaky, which could be user's error, but it could be that it just needs a second coat, so I'm gonna go do that. This is after the second coat. It came out gorgeous. Really so easy to use. It's just gonna paint over. It's not gonna like fill in and fix imperfections, so keep that in mind. You may want to sand before painting, but as far as paint goes, so easy to use, came out great. And I'll have to do an updated video to let you know how it lasts, how durable it is, but I feel good about this. So nice. I love this stuff. It was really easy to use. I'm obsessed. If you take good care of the paint inside and the brush, this is gonna be reusable for multiple projects. You can even clean this out and refill it with more paint. You can change the colors. Just so amazing.